Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoriab, a local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. Before we even get started with today's video, please take a second and hit that red subscribe button and also that thumbs up so more people can learn about this video and also learn about Charlotte with ease. Today we are once again visiting the Reserve at Northridge, which is a waterfront community built by Taylor Morrison. So this beautiful community is located along the scenic shores of Lake Wylie, South Carolina. The schools here in this area are going to be Palisades Park Elementary, Southwest Middle School, Olympic High School. But guys, I always encourage you to please verify the schools before you sign a contract. The model home we're going to be taking a tour of today is called the ESSEX. The ESSEX is a perfect plan for homeowners who love curb appeal. This home features a welcoming entrance. You are able to usher in your guests down the hall to the stunning open concept gathering room with an extension opportunity, or you can simply relax yourself in the flex space, which can be set up as a parlor, library, or a study. The ESSEX comes with an optional gourmet kitchen, which comes fully stocked with a large prep island, an expansive countertop space, a walk-in pantry, and an additional butler's pantry. You have your breakfast nook, your optional screened or covered porch right off the breakfast nook here. Your guests will certainly enjoy their stay with the fourth bedroom located right here on the first floor. This bedroom features a roomy space with a large walk-in closet and a full bathroom. Upstairs, we have our 2 additional bedrooms, a large bonus space, and a truly remarkable owner suite. It's hard to imagine a more complete setup in this owner suite, which comes stocked with a spa-inspired soaking tub, a dedicated shower enclosure, double vanities, private enclosed toilet, the massive walk-in closet, and an optional entrance from closet to the laundry room. For extra space, you can consider adding in a 5th bedroom in lieu of the bonus room as we see here. Okay friends, so thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful floor plan and also this neighborhood with me. This is by far one of my favorite neighborhoods because simply it's a waterfront community and there are tons of outdoor activities. And I, being an outdoor lover, I love to get out in the outdoor, go hiking and just spend time maybe near the water and just relax. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite part of this home was. I think for me, my biggest takeaway was the kitchen area. I love cooking and I love entertaining guests. So for me, this was the perfect kitchen for that. Would you change anything about this home or would you leave it as seen in this video? And guys, please take a second as well to please hit that subscribe button and also hit that thumbs up so more people can learn about this video and this channel with ease. Okay friends, I'll see you in the next video.